we shingam so penda dewa mali jumene jere siwa tensi gazo shabe side phadu dingji ani tharinga zo de gemi shungzab gi dundu phemi mangbo chi zom yore ani zomgo ne dang ding zo yi ge ne dang chi chayi ari new york tu tensi je be nyam de gazo legung gi dundu phe rangzen tabje ba loga rangzen la gi phe ge rangzen ra phe ge rawa rangzen da kya gyama shung gi thane si chu la ngoi go chusum phiri pinda thindi chegi chedu rang lu meso dang de jong su gyurdu de ya kana shung gi tuwa mi ma gi chidun ge gab gi miri thunje ya de ku be chatim sebe timi la thajig du ngogo yue timi di ngoi gi mi yu ni ki da rishung torshi timi di one ya ye da ge yi ji bo zewang gi gui ji chedu chugi ye di phege la so da bu phege nyam ge du tong shi ye ba ma se kya na shung gi wang gi ro mi ri shen da gi thum ma yin be ki nam gyan sa dong gi ne su ge shin ye ten jing ni ba mi ri yong la jik zung gi ne che ju nge di phe ba chi bu tho la ka lo shi ma yin ba yu gu da so bo di shi gya na gi nga go su ye be mi ri thang yu ma wa shi la jik zung gi ne che chen bu the bi ye dini miri khagi rishung gi kheju zame sewa zewang gi siju shi yin tunze sumba miri zame tongwe siju dini miri tunze gi ledun shi tene ma yin bar miri khagi shiga ngo yonzo kyana jin du gyurde miri shi gi lorgyu da rishung shume sewa tuzub jin gi siju shi yin tunze shi ba kheji bego Rawanda jowa mi thokdang la gabe kewa kwingi ya shungi thuzub ji timi di kyönje da neze tepshin be phemi ri sebe mi ri changyu yongi ki ri shu sunggyop che nyangrup gi kyabgyon nanggo don na kyana gi mi ri thunje gi chajim dini thunje gi min thone thwa mi ri chidun juki dushe tembu jukba nibor chede thuyung modo changyu mi ri gi meja we chada mi kheju nam yenga ngoi jine mi ri shengi ngo da ri shungi ngoi jin chöte so zame sebe zeni gi mi ri kyagyur gi leshin yemba shi chayi ye
Rangzen la gi an so lu so meset pwa delia an nyangyen gi kamachik nyangyen kudu shuronas banner of ethnic unity. Reports from the Office of United Nations High Commissioner for Human Rights and from the International Campaign for Tibet tells us that this legislation contradicts the principle of ethnic autonomy guaranteed under China's own constitution, and it violates international human rights standards. It seeks to formalize and legitimize coercive policies of cultural, linguistic, and ideological assimilation in Tibet. When a government enforces such a law, it does not ask for quiet obedience. It demands silence. It demands that Tibetans stop speaking their language, stop practicing their faith freely, stop remembering their history. And when people refuse to be silenced, the state responds with surveillance, detention, and violence. Lobga Rangzen's self-immolation is a direct retaliation against this brutal reality. It is a declaration that some lives are so suffocated by oppression that the only remaining act of freedom is the most extreme one. We honor Lobga Rangzen's pain, his courage, and his final cry for freedom. His act was an extreme response to unbearable oppression. Let us make a pledge today to continue his life's purpose, to keep Tibetan alive, to speak for those who are silenced, and to fight for freedom. His Holiness the Dalai Lama has repeatedly said that he does not encourage self-immolation, that such acts require great courage, but that courage alone is not enough. we must also use wisdom. He has described these tragic incidents as understandable responses of desperation. Yet the voices of Tibetans in Toronto, in Ottawa, in New York, in US, in India, and all around the world. To Canada, you are a country that claims to stand for human rights, freedom of expression, and the protection of minority cultures. We ask you to stand with us now. Do not let this law become another quiet tragedy that the world ignores. We call on Canada to stand firm and without hesitation on the side of justice. This is not just a matter of principle, it is a test of moral courage and global responsibility. When the Chinese Communist government's human rights violations are allowed to continue unchecked, they do not remain isolated. They expand, they intensify, and they threaten stability for beyond their borders. Silence is not neutrality, it is complicity. It enables repression, invites further abuses, and risks a future defined by escalating conflict and global disorder. Canada must not waver. It must speak, hold Chinese government accountable, boldly, act decisively, and hold firm in defending human dignity, because failing to do so do not preserve peace, it endangers it. Let's make 3 clear commitments today. Never forget Lobga Rangzen and all those who have self-immolated. We will carry their names in our hearts and in our advocacy. We will not allow their deaths to go in vain. Never accept the erasure of Tibet. We will continue to reach into the global affairs of Canada and advocate. We will continue to teach our children Tibetan. We will continue to teach our children Tibetan language and history. We will continue to celebrate our traditions, our festivals, our Buddhism, and our identity. We will speak openly about what is happening in Tibet, especially under the new law. Never stop demanding justice. We will keep organizing protests like today. We will keep writing to our politicians, to the UN, to human rights organizations. We will keep using our voice, our platforms, and our commitments to demand that the world pay attention to Tibet. We stand here as Tibetans in Canada, as parents, as students, as elders, as volunteers, as leaders. We stand in solidarity with all oppressed people, but especially with our people in Tibet who are trying under this new law who are actually living under this new or forced assimilation. Let today not only be a day of grief, let it be a day of awakening. Let it be a day where we say clearly and together, Tibet is not a part of China. Tibetans will stand united. Our identity, our language, our faith, our history are our rights, and we will never stop fighting for a free Tibet. Pögelo! Pögelo! Pögelo!
China out! Canada ngade chozo timi Alexa Gilmore chune theringi yigyo neju di thoadani semlangang zap chimbodai ani dela tharing challenge kurna sha ni challenge di tharing chumula gi thoja nangyu chumula
the show announcing at the Parkdale High Park Sanigi, other Chosotami, MPP Alexa Gilmore, Chone, Dakamchik, Kurnaso, Tering, the Lobga Rangzen, Kulimese, thank you, Tola, and the Injina Lochoachi. My heart goes out to the Tibetan community in my riding of Parkdale High Park and around the world as you grieve the loss of a beloved community member. Lobsang Palin, widely known as Lobga Rangzen, died on July 2nd, 2026, after setting himself on fire in front of the United Nations headquarters in New York. He joins at least 171 Tibetans who have self-immolated in acts of protest against China's occupation of Tibet. He was widely known for his lifelong dedication to advocacy for Tibet. In the hours before his death, he called on Tibetans to stay committed to the struggle for Tibetan independence and to never forget their identity. I honor Lobga's life and extend my deepest condolences to his family, friends, and all those mourning his loss. Lobga's act of protest comes one day after China implemented its new law on promoting ethnic unity and progress, legislation that further intensifies Chinese state control over Tibetan identity and restrictions on Tibetan language, religion, culture, education, and freedom of expression in Tibet. This is not the first time Tibetans have felt forced to take action to draw the world's attention. Every life is precious. We need the world to act. I stand with Tibetans around the world in condemning the escalating repression inside Tibet, and I echo the United Nations High Commissioner for Human Rights' call for the immediate repeal of this new law. I will raise this issue with my colleagues at Queen's Park, and I call on the Canadian federal government to work alongside our international allies and press China to repeal this law, hold it accountable for its human rights violations, and address the transnational repression that Tibetans continue to face here in Canada. The international community must act with urgency in defense of the Tibetan people's fundamental rights. As Ontario continues its work to honor the Truth and Reconciliation Commission's calls to action and uphold the principles of United Nations Declaration on the Rights of Indigenous Peoples, we here have a responsibility to speak out whenever Indigenous peoples' languages, cultures, and spiritual traditions are under threat, including in Tibet. To the Tibetan community, your grief is seen, and your identity and your culture are precious. And your right to self-determination must be upheld. I stand with you. Tuche.
So, me mambo zomsha ni tuchena. Kang some kesere kesa ni Lobga Rangzen lagi. Michi ki nze susung ni chetue. Yes, 아니 비제 남부 상매기 공개 타마 데라 숭셰게 깔롭데 마닝게 여기 말해 어딩에 미망족이 전소 제도로 깔롭게 낭된조디 가리가리 숭었으나 디 남부 캠페 개첨버려자 또 미지 소소기 따다고라 또 sacrifice 소소기 속로 땅 마땅월라다 쉐디 땅닝 부네 가르슈고 예메디 상마다 슈워라 따디 다가서 지가 샘플 텐제 따들이 슈샤고 들이지 들이지 시에서나 한데 나섬 근데 숨게 큐니 말 디인도 갈라다 디블 낭도 가리 그래도 녜도 그 디블 쪼숨통 당보들라 난도스 상마데 강에 디블 간데 수레 디 랑젠민 룽바쇼 랑젠 root cause 숭고도 다디 나조기 균 템바제요 맞다 고 나도 단다강에 직 도미 톱단강에 바나르 기강에 나 리슝강에 나레 코리강에 나레 가리강에 네 디기 짜와디 하르레 나조 룽바쇼지 랑젠쇼지 미 우투제 숭고라 하나는 아주 지미 야갑게도 템바제 인데 수수 미게 템바제 있는 당 레데도 이 템바 맞에 치도 우투제 레워쇼고라 수수 탑제 가리시네 되고르다 이네 탑제 제기 망시디 로지 토니 히스토리 토니 나도 강에도 간데서 좀데 이 템바 맞에 치도 베데 랑젠 짱마 레치 숨도 아니지 니바 델라타 니마 진짜 둠베타리니 다리지 니모델 표현나도 안 팀자디 자나슝게 포스 셔라 다 팀자디 그 팀지게 도스 모데 치세게 말해 디게 리슝 최대 라마타미서 이다 인데 이니 디냠도 땀 미릭 배바 미릭 라이디 배다 거를 메어서게 차시 띵 rum부시라베 시진핑게 여자 모데 시세게 되는 게 말해 디 자나슝 마르슈슝 지루지도 고자 십주 샤르고니 체제 뉴동 십주 샤르고부터 100 years 로 야게 프로젝트 라고 great rejuvenation of Chinese nation like that the moment tang shopping nation dingmo nation chashi ting shayo chashi kale jana khalago re hide your capability bide your time suzu de nubadi ya tang tuzu de len lago re jana shung siju gora this siju de khalago re buy your time kuzu tuzu len go tuzu khalo tanggo lungbadi thoges tini dropa de ma begins tini khoriu ni targa de ma tyongis tini phebe ge nangdeng ki suzu ki 미드 페바 임베기 망시드 마 칼레칼레 숲게스 티타마 숲차와난 코 랑싱게 페바 했나르 우이그리나르 참마 자나 교르우르스 어디 나조스게 시주도 고츠와 치고 봐 수마들 공항 딱 세우 셰라송스 따디 나조기 백해 백해 정말해서 센조 볼라 도사직도 고돌란 세우 세연 송소 따디 고나 마고 돈도 제제 되어했나 미디고 우투제 시기도 템바제도 고르다 도사직도 저거를 나도 갈라로 다른직 testile matu de abatang se di dosa ji di chago ma khande chege bata di bla mi chig de chig parol kange yong se de chopa chig chig parol thu ma tu yong se de in di thu ma tu yong ka bla dila padang di perspective di ale khu ma tu su ta ma thu ba di dila ming di ro choga chulu gi ming te phayu gi ming te rangzen do uma gi ming te di chewa na dosa ji yong ma 강에 중앙 대갑라 와 지기 걸어 나다 다시 도 강에 중앙 다시 등이 바로 그 토마토를 마도 딜고 다시 그 파이드 제주 최고에 더 파이드 출루기 제주 최고에 디 요마 강이 용색으로 망조라가 토마토 용색 그렇게 해요마 이는 딜 명칭부터 해주고 디미디기 잡종 가래나 파이드 가래나 출루 가래나 근데 지기 도는 아주 안 칸이 도저지리 고를라지 문에 라렌타도 도저지리 가버려做这事的这个一直就玩的，那就记住他当的唐不学已经没有跟那当不学这么差。这个那个就车上面的拍摄的个古龙卡人呐，过集中卡人呐，过水车人呐，那拍摄的老个那个不得无头就送了。这你个他人不得 emotional change 送没得，修没得，你们听这个。 나 탑조바처럼 로고 땅한테 슈도치지 로고 차서 나머지 배진 상말에 망치하지 땅에 단도 로고 랭겐 키데 나디 처로서 냠용 practically I have lived through this experience 되게 공부도 송도가 나갔다 it really connected to me resonated with me 그 수부총 this 따다 덴바르 송어지어라 또 지디 가서 배반 나고는 제때 가서 때 타결 디시고래 저도 to me Canadian show government media what I want to say is the ultimate form of sacrifice that Tibetan martyr activist Lobga Rangzen who self-immolated in front of the UN headquarters in New York yesterday it's not a result of one day event it's not a result of one day one Chinese policy it's an accumulation of years and decades of repressive, highly systematic. I say systematic because there's no one particular policy or act that can cause frustration. It's a very deep, systematic oppression. First, they took our land in 1951. They forced us to sign so-called 17-point agreement. Then they claimed that we are going to give you autonomy. We're going to take your foreign affairs, but you can have your autonomy. They gave us assurance, and we were convinced. We thought we would get autonomy to practice our language, culture, religion. The autonomy you know. Or Chigi, foreign affairs, the Janaki manager, oh, why not? It's not a bad choice. We were forced to sign the agreement on gunpoint. That's something that the world forget. But today, when people talk about Tibet issue, unfortunately, it's somehow limited to human rights issues, ethnic minority issues. We're not ethnic minority of China. We are distinct people with distinct language, religion, and culture. We're people of invaded land who lost our freedom. That was one of the last calls from Lobga Rangzen. He called out, he highly stressed the word independence. Regardless of what Tibetan pursue, whether it is genuine autonomy or complete independence, we Tibetans have not compromised on the history, including from His Holiness, including from Central Tibetan Administration. We have not lied about our history. We have always stood on the ground that Tibet was historically not part of China. It is on Tibetan, it is up to Tibetan what we want to pursue, what we want to approach. So somehow that narrative that Tibet is part of China historically, it gives a lot of advantage to China, including taking away our language, including taking away our culture. And that's how the Ethnic Unity and Progress Law was introduced. So, my dear Canadian policymakers, media, if you're watching, if you're hearing us, not everything is all right in Tibet. You might see paid bloggers showing the infrastructure development inside Tibet, but the reality is millions of Tibetan nomads are being forced to relocate. Their lands are taken away. Tibetan nuns and monks are forced to leave their monasteries. Their curriculum are being controlled, administered. The children are being indoctrinated, forced to not only learn Chinese Mandarin language, but also adapt to communist ideology. You may not see, one single group of thousands of Tibetans being beaten and killed, but it's a death by 1,000 cuts. We've been dying slowly for the last 65 years. And to China, I know you close your office at 12 p.m. today because you're chatbot 50 cent army shoe legwa. So oh, look at that. But I'm sure you're watching with cameras. This is not a one-day gathering of Tibetans. This is our faith, our trust, our solidarity with brothers, sisters, and our utmost respect and gratitude to Pao Lobga Rangzen. What I want to say is, logic la sunju to take up the zomba in a prayer would in a 2000 mutage Susan when it's Dilla to Yang Changman Wogo show like Shugumeta. Susan when Susan Lega Courage Guanada. Susan Lega Kawa Dugam and Courage Guan, Del Susan Chetbear. Suzuki Lerola de Gayere. Suzu Chetwe Lega de Putapo Yabu Pepper Seta de Chawana, Gaum Sumuda. Pepper Seta de Chawanako. Rushing the paper and penguin. Even Changman to Zomji Gag or the shoe. You don't know Yashore. Not only in a source of paper in the temper majority, Chunona. Tomato gather to Jil House, Ransolo Tasa or Kazuki Ming King. Tamushan and Nege Ming Mambuji Tingindo. The Ming the Pasha, the Kunzuki Gabjon family. Ransolo Karushu. Let's not just forget them as a number. We still know, right? Bhagat Singh, Chandrasekhar Azadi, we know about their history. So we do not have shortage of Tibetan patriots who died for Tibet, but we need to know about them. History like base, it's a part of our history. So let's not forget that they died for Tibet. 표현.
투시치나 셰프치나 디네 탄다 세라직도 탄다 훈주
Go with it, see where your business are, and then rest. This is what happens when journalism don't do what they are supposed to do. In desperation, my brother, our brother, Lobga Rangzen, who had everything in the United States of America, so-called the most developed country in the world, he had nothing, no problem when it comes to his personal issues. But he could not. He could not breathe peace. He could not stay in peace. He could not forget. He could not erase what all the Tibetans in Tibet are going through. He has not just committed this tremendous sacrifice, he has been a steadfast advocate for the Tibetan cause all his life, even before coming to the United States of America. And even after coming to the United States of America, he had everything. He did not stop there. He went every protest, every rally, every occasion where he could speak for Tibet. This is what you do, journalists, I'll say again, politicians, the world leaders, when you do not do what you are supposed to do. I'm going to read the press release that Tibetans all over Canada has released. Tibetan Canadians mourn the tragic death of Tibetan advocate Martyr Lobsang Palden, alias Lobga Rangzen, at the United Nations, and renew calls for the urgent repeal of China's ethnic unity and progress law. The Tibetan community across Canada mourns with profound sorrow the tragic death of Tibetan activist Lobga Rangzen, who passed away following a self-immolation outside the United Nations headquarters in New York City on July 2nd, 2026, just yesterday afternoon, in the evening at 5:30. We are deeply saddened by this devastating loss. In a final video message recorded shortly after his passing, Lobsang Rangzen made it clear that his ultimate sacrifice was undertaken in relation to the Tibetan national cause. He called about Tibetans to remain united in their struggle, stating that the loss of Tibet's independence is the root of all our problems, and urged continued commitment to the Tibetan national cause. While we honor his courage and unwavering devotion, we join the Central Tibetan administration in reaffirming that human life is precious, especially when it is a Tibetan life, because we are not many, and must be preserved. Human life must be preserved to sustain the long-term struggle of Tibet. We urgently appeal to all Tibetans everywhere to cherish life, even in the face of immense suffering and repression. Lobga Rangzen's passing comes amid grave and escalating concerns over the situation inside Tibet, including the implementation of the People's Republic of China's ethnic unity and progress law on July 1st. This legislation has been widely reported as further entrenching policies of forced assimilation, including restriction of Tibetan language, religion, cultural expression, and Tibetan identity. Lobga was the first known self-immolation by a Tibetan in the Western world. But since 2009, more than 160 Tibetans have self-immolated inside Tibet, with some cases reported also in exile communities. And that began with the first recorded protest by Mang Taipei in Amdo, Tibet. That was the first recorded. We don't know how much unrecorded sacrifices have been made. These acts reflect the depth of despair and urgency felt by Tibetans under ongoing repression for the decades. We recognize that Lobga Rangzen joins those who have made the ultimate sacrifice to draw global attention to the ongoing crisis facing the Tibetan people under the policies of the People's Republic of China. These policies continue to contribute to a deep and systematic erosion of Tibetan identity, language, culture, and freedom. We extend our deepest condolences to Lobga Rangzen's family, friends, and the entire Tibetan community worldwide. In solidarity, we solemnly pledge that we will carry the spirit of the sacrifices in our hearts and work relentlessly to ensure that they are not in vain. We urgently call upon the United Nations, the world governments, parliamentarians, and international human rights institutions to recognize the severity of the crisis in Tibet, to speak with moral clarity and take meaningful action. We also call on the government of People's Republic of China, whose consulate is just behind us here, to end policies of forced assimilation, respect the fundamental rights of the Tibetan people, and engage in genuine dialogue towards a peaceful resolution of the Tibet issue. We Tibetans are peaceful people. We are a nation. We cannot stand what you are doing today in our country and you have been doing for decades. And since this is a press release, we also informed the entire media that Tibetan Canadians will organize a mass peaceful protest today in front of the Chinese consulate, 240 St. Joe Street, Toronto. Media. So, Chinese government, you cannot silence the social media. You might be able to silence the social media in China, even that you're not able to do it. People have found ways to speak to the world what is happening. So, you are going weaker, we are going stronger. Thanks to the internet, thanks to the social media, and make sure everybody who are on social media share, speak, talk, and please work for Tibet in all forms. At last, may I pray that Lobga Rangzen's sacrifice awaken the conscience of the world. May compassion prevail over repression. And may the Tibetan people one day, very soon, live in freedom, dignity, and the right to determine our own future in our own homeland. Thank you very much. Before I give the mic away, I would like to thank our first Tibetan MPP, Putila Karbuche, for making it possible to have a Tibetan Heritage Month in Ontario. Today is the third day of Tibetan Heritage Month. Thanks to Putila's work, thanks to the government of Ontario, we have that in our hand. Let's use it, Tibetans. It is very important to dance. It is very important to preserve the culture. It is beautiful to see hundreds and sometimes thousands of young Tibetans joining our Gorshe. It is wonderful. Let's do more than that. Let's do more than that. Let's tell China they cannot silence us. And let's be, every day, every minute of our life, be voice for the voiceless Tibetans back home in Tibet. Thank you.
Free Tibet! Free Tibet! Free Tibet! Free Tibet! Free Tibet! Free Tibet!
तुझे छना के साथ जोला दे छे अंजु केने जे फेमी मा छंगने छाप शुजे पाउला ने सुनशे नांग्यो पाउला
통마 저런 공사 장게 전부 졸로 부족 네더 당배 돈에 아니 당에 배바 창마라 전송제다 전송 그봐 아니 배구난들이 개개지면 전송이라 통마 등에 항에 가르로에 있으나 네 Lobga Rangzen 라 투지체 된 수야이 그봐 네 투지체 수야이 당가서 제한은 문도 코라라 투지체 수야라 통마딜 다니니 디시를 전소들은 게 켜발라 전송 노발한 조송세야 줘라 가서 배발라 니 디다들이 와 다 공기 차례 남바다 킹기 뱀물을 라자디 나다 디그 셔터야 지르면도 셔터야 지르면도 얘나양의 배발을 전소 제도구도 와 다초도 그냥 앞증어 군에 제니가 배면 가서 그 특선 로스 땅 차버려 내가 좀 신고워 주래 니베들은 잠이 쩌왕 오니까 그러면 같이 이제 피 차버려 니도 제일다 싫어 말해 로요 말해 나도 제시고 말하라 제요 말하다 니바디 배 나로고 마트 나도 땡조 나로라 그리미라 돈이 무슨 총잡아 다 단다 참르게 나로라 그리미다 비니 레용고요 네 나도 배발 전소르다 배바디jel라 코레게 송도와 사야메바 고야메바 근데 싸워니는 메스 그렇게 된다게 치디에서는 나도 제수랑 거라 콜을 들으면서 제가 콜을 누바당 네 자치고 로야가 메브라 요버디 가래 코랄 온바데 코레게 쳐서더래 쳐서더는 나도 배면 사야 저기 치다 피브르다 네 나도 제 고마라 제베나 라 타사 마라 네 수야 찍디 수야 니바디 자 아무르게 나로라 네 디니 그 미시그 뉴야다 뉴자시 슈니 람베쿠이 Lobga Rangzen की खोरे के पैक ज्यादा से खी हो जाए नोटे जांचों की गोंडा दी सुया दी पैक देंधा मासे बात में जिंदगी के केमे चीकुदास ना मैं शाया मेदा से के ना चलो पांग का पातार धंधे ऐसा दी ना मैं जया मारेस ना तो कनाडा नालो ले नाला दी के तुझे ते लोचिक नो ले उरे नि के तुझे सों गोबत छोबचुदु के हाजो के नंगा छेमुरेस 니슈야이 로아 다 나초 가래 나초 칸이 그 배바스 이제 대비는 용구만 도와 근데 이제 고래가 레와 주변하는 시그 도다 쩌들을 드는 그 자사자 그 레와 첨부지다 레와 자사 요버지 내가 지는 것은 제벌 기가 근데 이자 맥그 들을 때 맥그 나초 그 추석을 내다 마토노라 나초 그게 소바 낭시그 배배 나로는 텐저 어야 배배 그 타세 남양 나초 제롱고 말에 마제로 치즈 이제 제수이다 근데 이자 다마시나 뭐부시라지 시에 도구문도 와 근데 이제 nghe lá ni thêm cha này cơ rất là ngã xuống đi lên cái gì nó zalha cả là sáng đi cha ube cái ta phải là xe này cái gì đi yo phải là yên ngã tới sáng đi xuống cái rất là xe cái khám cô bắt được mà số cái khó chịu cái rồi gonda chết thì jiba khang là xuống cái đi ni cái gì kem bị chơi anh nhung xuống naro nas rồi ta ngã xuống thế mà ngã xuống cá thế thì mà chơi nó puchi lo chừng như thế ngã xuống cái macha bắt chơi ngã xuống lengi chỉ bé cô tu da tanda ni kesa la shubi ngã xuống tanda nhưng mà ni chơi là sao tu đâu à ta ngã xuống lengi bé bị nữa ngã xuống lên đến cái gì nữa ngã xuống bao nhiêu đấy trên số nào nhỉ mà thế cái trong cuộc sống chẳng cái chuyện不错当当那个个谁话说的了输的有人真的是长眉个到他就的了真那个就都俺买不起带都买不起是吧3年买不起长眉个当我呢跟俺说的那个是他得了他自己俺说了啰嗦讲你的人生路你就就呢买不起了买不起了俺说的就点听过了俺就白把了人生让你解决的这种公司讲给钱不着真正用处现在有的看我们中国百分之多少他啥看了让你他们家那个小品那个俺说的这来的有人白拿那个吃吃乱当那个俺说的这几天的来有人真的是那样嘛这把这가디 예나라 초바치 두가 그 가디 랭귀지 빼베나 참에 그 념쇼 제로나스 땡게 그 참말라 드레소이다 드레소 베쿠체메 머르거르는 기여바 기여바다 하코부장 착발라 소소냐르 바베요바 하코부체 거다 참에 그 어디에서 당에 마모지 시험하고 거는 아주 마투니 겜베다 회자로 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 회자로
Paula ning thabane thuje chenam de che tron to sani phegi shinu lenzo gi chozo sani sanam lane kembe unzo nangyu ani manzo chuze ni da gama shibji shenga la ni samjo chei sani sanam la
China! Tibet belongs to 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 Free Tibet! China out! Free Tibet! China out! Free Tibet! China out! Free Tibet! China out! Free Tibet! To Tibet belongs to Tibet belongs to Shame, shame, communist China! Shame, shame! Shame, shame!
Wake up! Wake up! Wake up! UNO! UNO! Free Tibet! Free Tibet! China out of Tibet now! China out of Tibet now! Stop killing! Stop the genocide! genocide. Stop the mining. What do we want?
We want freedom!
What do we want?
We want freedom!
China out of Tibet now! China out of Tibet now!
China out of Tibet now!
China out of Tibet now!
China out of Tibet now!
Tibet belongs.
Don't trust
Communist China!
Canada. 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 Stand up. Basic human rights. Canada. Stand up.
Basic human rights!
Canada. Stand up.
Basic human rights!
Stop killing. Stop killing. Stop killing. Stop cultural genocide. Stop cultural genocide. Stop killing. Stop mining. Stop mining. Tibet belongs to.
Marcha! 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 Dinamio! Dinamio! Pukitapo! Jamabunde! Free Tibet! Free Jamabunde!
Back it up! Back it up! Back it up!
Piggy Dogbo! Piggy Dogbo! Piggy Dogbo! Gamma Pune! Gamma Pune! Gamma Pune! Tibetans united! Tibetans united! Stop erasing! Stop erasing Tibetan identity! Stop erasing! Stop erasing! Stop cultural genocide in Tibet! Stop cultural genocide! In Tibet! Stop cultural genocide!
Thank you.